How to add friends on Zynga Poker. Now, first things first, if you don't have the app yet, just go ahead to your Play Store and then search for Zynga Poker. So once you download it and install the app, just go ahead and run the app. You can go ahead and log in to your existing Facebook account or Google account or log in as guest. Now to add friends, just simply click on these two persons right here beside the message icon. Tap on that. This is where you can see your friends online and then all you can see all your friends. You can also refer your friends by clicking on share. You can share to any of your social media accounts. And this is where you can track the request and you can also manually search for your friend right here. So that's how easy you can add friends on Zynga Poker.